Starting with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful, kind and great. Honorable guests, respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to present a very important topic, the power of knowledge. Dear listeners, Allah says in the Holy Quran, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qul hal yastawi alladhina ya'lamuna wal ladhina la ya'lamun. Allah says, are those who know equal to those who do not know? Dear listeners, this verse says us that knowledge makes people special. Knowledge gives us light when the world is dark. And remember, greatness always begins with knowledge. And religion prove it. History prove it. Scholars prove it. Books prove it. And also scientists prove it. Knowledge is the reason behind every success. It turns weakness to the strength. It turns small nation into great nation. It's changed dreams into reality. Remember, without knowledge we are blind. We cannot see anything. But with knowledge we can see the truth. We can do good things. And we can make the world a better place. A person without knowledge, like a bird without wings, he cannot fly, but a person with knowledge, he can reach the stars. And history proved that knowledge raised the Arab from desert tribe to the leader of the world. History proved that the knowledge gave freedom to the nation, including Pakistan. And history proved that knowledge gave Einstein the power to split the atom. Also, history proved that knowledge made Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan pin stronger than bullet. And also history proved that knowledge took men to the moon. And also history proved that knowledge found cures and saved millions of lives. So come on guys, let us seek the knowledge, spread the knowledge and honor the knowledge, because it's the light that never fades, the strength that never breaks, and a legacy that lives forever. And remember the golden word of Imam Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Knowledge enlivens the soul. It is a treasure untold. It's guide like light. And moral of my speech, knowledge is power. Knowledge is strength. Knowledge is freedom. In my opinion, learn everywhere. Learn everywhere. If we learn, we can grow. If we grow, we can help others. When we help others, we make our world peaceful and bright. Thanks.